Hey guys, Mitch with Prism Supply, back again with some cool chopper parts, especially y'all out there with some sporties. We got a foot clutch hand shift kit for 91 to 03 Sportsters. It's gonna be a different kit for 91 to 93, as well as 94 to 03. The kit's gonna come with everything you need to bolt it onto your bike and get going, ripping, shifting with your hand. It's gonna be sold as two kits, a foot clutch kit and a hand shift kit. The foot clutch kit takes a lot of inspiration from early Ironhead stuff with a nice curved, flowy design on the pedal. The foot clutch also allows you to actuate the clutch directly, no cable involved, no linkages. You get to really feel the clutch out as you ride. The hand shift kit will allow you to run any 4-speed ratchet top shifters you want. If you want an old crusty one, run it. If you want a nice new one, run it. All stainless steel, billet aluminum, quality product. Go get it now, prismsupply.com.